Hey guys, in my videos you have seen a lot of different explosive reactions, but remember that time I showed you the Decaborane and nitric acid reaction? It caused a massive explosion, easily punching through a steel plate. This particular reaction stands out as the most destructive I ever seen when combining two known explosive components. I haven't found any documentation and articles on it, so as a discoverer I call it chemical force reaction. So, the first component of this destructive chemical reaction is fuming nitric acid containing a minimal amount of water. Due to a nitrogen dioxide dissolved in it, it has a yellow-orange tint, so I'll pass a current of dry ozone through acid to make it transparent liquid. Now it's crystal clear nitric acid as it should be. This liquid can very quickly ignite many organic materials, such as my hair or ordinary laboratory gloves. And this is just a beautiful reaction with lithium aluminum hydride. The second component is boron hydride, Decaborane. This white powder stores enormous energy. In its individual state, like nitric acid, it's absolutely not explosive, but is a highly flammable reagent. Since this substance contains boron, during combustion we can observe the green color of the flame. We can observe a brighter green color if we add liquid oxygen to the burning Decaborane. The combustion of a mixture of Decaborane and nitromethane looks even more impressive. Now let's go outside the lab and see what a mixture of fuming nitric acid and Decaborane is capable of. So the first reaction will be on the surface of a steel bowl. When mixing these components, the reaction does not occur immediately. It has a rather long induction period in order to run away as far as possible. So guys, how do you like such destructive power? Be sure to share your impressions in the comments. You may have noticed cracks on my table for this experiment. They formed when I carried out this reaction on cardboard and a wooden backing. For such a massive object like a brick, I took a teaspoon of Decaborane and added a couple dozen drops of nitric acid to it. It was not difficult for this reaction to smash even a brick into pieces. I think you realized what enormous energy is hidden in these reagents. Okay, let's switch it up a bit. Have you ever seen a card trick involved in chemistry? Pick any card. Let's say you chose the Ace of Spades. I'll make it disappear using some chemical magic. Let's try to understand the secret of this card trick using slow motion. If you know the answer to this card trick, tell us about it in the comments. Now let's add a pitch to our reaction. This is an ordinary baseball, and if you don't know what's inside it, then let's find out. To find out, I drilled a small hole in it so that I could add a little Decaborane and nitric acid there. A chemical reaction showed that there was glued quark and some thread inside. And now watermelon! No words needed, just enjoy the upcoming explosion. Thanks for watching, guys! If you enjoy my content and would like to support me, please consider doing so through Patreon, as many other viewers already do. Thanks to their support, I can continue creating this chemical content. Hope you enjoyed, see you in the next video.